Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Si Kris Aquino ay humarap sa Stargate People Asia People of the Year 2025 Awards Night. Dumalo siya sa kaganapan upang suportahan ang taga-disenyo at ang kanyang malapit na kaibigan na si Michael Leyva. Makalipas ang 5 taon, ay muling nagpakita si Kris Aquino sa publiko, kung saan ay umattend ito sa Stargate People Asia People of the Year 2025 Awards Night. Dumalo siya sa kaganapan upang suportahan ang taga-disenyo at ang kanyang malapit na kaibigan na si Michael Leyva. Alam ng publiko, kung gaano kadelikado ang sakit ni Kris, at bawal din siyang pumunta sa mga crowded area, o sa mga lugar na maraming tao, dahil mababa ang kanyang immune system.
Hindi.
Okay, let's have a photo together.
Why is Michael special to you?
Because he's actually acting like the dad to Bim and the dad to Kuya. Yeah. Bim said his parents are here. So it's really, he's more than just a friend. He's really like the younger brother I never had. And there are people who say that I'll be there for you or asahan mo ako, but Michael has proven that so many times and in so many ways. And he gave us 2 car sauce. Nakapromiso ka na.
What did he give you?
His vehicles. My boys are using his cars.
Hi Kris, this is your first public appearance.
Actually, yes, and I'm sorry that we're late. They had trouble waking me up because I started new medicine last night.
What a coincidence, today is also we're celebrating the People Power
Yes,
anniversary.
You know, I actually, sorry, hinadal sa dami ng gamot na iniinom. I actually thought today was the 24th and tomorrow pa yung 25. And then, he was the one who told me.
Yeah.
Sabi niya na, ano ka ba? Bukas yung 20, last night, he was saying na, today 25. So I go, perfect. What a perfect coming out.
So you're here to support Michael Leyva, your good
I
friend.
wanted to congratulate him talaga. Because one of my last public appearances was with you.
Yeah. She was also People of the Year.
Yeah, what year?
Before the pandemic,
Wow,
right?
congrats.
It's Crazy Rich Asian.
People of the Year.
The Crazy Rich Asian
For
Awards.
Crazy Rich Asians, yes.
But how are you, Kris? How are
I'm
you?
not so okay. I hope I don't faint.
But thank you for being with me.
Oh.
Super appreciate.
Hilo na ako.
Super.
Naman ako.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
Ayan.